Why was he going the other way? I can't see shit! This is some bullshit. Why are you slowing down? What a shitty day. Probably the warmest but the ugliest Christmas I've ever had. So not the prettiest day, but it's still Christmas, so that's one good thing about it. So it's really coming down though, I'll tell you that. My tread's pretty good, but a couple close calls. I wouldn't say close calls, but where my car's kind of got a little shifty, but it handles well. I can save it if I need to. But xDrive pretty much just cuts off all the power anytime I give gas. Alright, I'm feeling, I want to drift. I might put this bitch in xDelete. xDelete, I'm telling you. They are closed. Alright, I got an idea. I think we're gonna flash xDelete. Why? Because wet out. Not gonna risk my tires. Basically, should be good. We'll see how it goes, but there's plenty of open parking lot. So. Alright, so I gotta plug in MHD. Shit, where's it at? Alright, now I'm gonna flash XHP. Alright, we are in xDelete right now, so we're about to turn off traction all the way. Get a couple little spins in here, see how it feels. I'm trying to find not too much of like, there's some patches of like dry, but it's mostly wet, so. I need to be higher rev. Shit. Yeah, I'm not the best drifter, but we'll see. Trying to like do it like more natural, so like if I was actually coming in for a turn, I was like, yeah, this is not easy. We'll do sport mode. See, even it's still catching, and I don't know how it's still catching. Kind of weird. Okay, I don't know what to do. It's not wanting to drift. Like it didn't exactly work. Like xDelete's not working or something. I'm just trying to get the car a little loose, but it's not working. So let's see here. Maybe it's just it's not slippery enough, or like right here I should be able to just like. It's not doing anything. This is dumb. Oh, I hear cops. Fuck. hear cops. It's just like wheel hopping. I hear cops, so I'm hiding. Shit, I'm hiding. I don't know where I hear him coming from, but I'm sure it's not for me. I don't even know what to do. This is not working right.
I hopped out my bag, bitch, I'm in my bag.